Hello everyone, my name is Roma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to do a makeup look today called Carnation Glow. It is inspired by the flower of the month for January, which is the carnation. This is it in a nutshell, what it looks like. So let's get started. It's a really simple makeup look. These are what the colors look like in real life. We're going to start with Moonstone, which is the shimmery white. That is going to go, I'm just going to use our all over eyeshadow brush. These are all Mary Kay products. If you have a Mary Kay consultant, talk to her if you want to purchase anything. If you don't have one, if you live in Canada, I would be happy to be your beauty BFF. So we're going to take this Moonstone and we are just going to put it on the inner corner of the eye, and maybe a third of the way in, both on top of your lashes and underneath. So nice, bright glow. This is a great trick for more mature ladies because what it does is it brightens up our eye area. It makes us like bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, essentially. The second color we are going to use is Dusty Rose, and I'm gonna use the same brush. This is super easy application. It is vertical stripes, so we're just gonna do this whole middle part, and you can go up above your crease. You can see I'm just sort of placing it everywhere. People stress out about eyeshadow placement. Don't stress out about eyeshadow placement because the trick is in the blending. Okay, so we're just gonna place this all over the middle part of your eyelid, just like that. And then same brush again, super simple. We're gonna use this gray color called Shadow. I like to put it on both sides. And then this goes on the outer corner. It looks a little bit dark. Look at how messy that is, right? Super messy. And we'll go this side, just like that. Then we're gonna take a big, fat, loose brush so you can see that the bristles are nice and loose. This is our blending brush, and this is where we are going to just blend. So back and forth strokes, wherever there's a line between the colors, and we're just gonna blend it out. Just like that. See? All that scary all over the place, gone. Gonzo. We're gonna blend this side. Nice and simple. And you can go as high up on your eye socket area as you want to. You might want to just keep it to the lid. Whatever kind of your personality is. I'm a little more accustomed to makeup, so I don't mind going loud, going bold. And you can see that dark gray color really softens up when you do the blending. You can even bring the blending down underneath your eye. Not a problem. And then what we're gonna do, so here's the thing, is we've got pink next to our lashes. And when you have pink next to your lash line, sometimes with some people, it can make you look a little ill, which is the last thing that we want during COVID. So what we're gonna do is use a black liner to ground that pink color, okay? So we're just gonna do, I'm using our liquid liner, which is awesome. Our Mary Kay liquid liner is waterproof, so even if you have weepy eyes, especially when that cold burst comes, when you go outside and your eyes start to water a little bit, no problem, no problem. We're just gonna do a nice, simple line. We're not gonna get crazy. If you're a wing girl, go ahead, wing it up. But I'm gonna keep it nice and simple today, but you can see that that black line really grounds it. And don't stress out about how perfect that line is either. If you have trouble getting a really sleek line, you can always use an eyebrow or eyeliner brush and then just smudge it up a little bit as you go along. It'll take care of business, basically. Then I'm going to use our lash intensity because I feel like when our faces are half covered that we need a little more pop in the eyes, and use a mirror for this. Just apply this. So lash intensity is a volume boosting lash mascara. Super great. I have really, really fine hair, so I have very, very fine lashes. So it might look like not much on my eyelashes, but I guarantee you yours will probably double in volume easily. This is double volume for me. So we all got our thing, right? So nice loud lashes with this look, especially because it's such a soft and pretty look. And then we're gonna do our cheek color. And today we're gonna use Rogue Rose, which is really pretty pink color. So this will just add that glow part. So I'm gonna use our cheek brush, which has a rounded bristles kind of in the middle. Put the color there. I'm gonna smile, find that apple of your cheek, the big fat part. That's where we're gonna place the color. And you can just circle it out towards along your cheekbone, towards your hairline. Again, this is super pretty color. And we're gonna keep the lips nice and soft today too. So we're actually going to use a lip gloss. It's called Fancy Nancy. It's our most popular lip gloss color. Between this and Sheer Illusion, man, this has been around for a while. It's actually, the color has stayed even though our formula has changed a few times. Really moisturizing, which is great for this winter weather, and not sticky, which is also great for whatever weather. So there is the Carnation Glow makeup look for this month. Thanks for joining me.